So hey there and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add text to speech in Canva videos completely free and very easily. If you have ever wanted to create videos without recording your own voice or just wanted to add a quick narration to your Canva project, then this tutorial is definitely for you. So I will walk you through the entire process step by step, please. Plus I will give you some bonus tips at the end to make your voiceover sound even better. So before we jump in, make sure to check the link in the description and on the pinned comment so that it can benefit us. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you have not already, and also turn the bell notification so you don't miss out on more simple tutorials like this one. Alright, let's dive straight into Canva. So first of all, you have to go to your browser, and if you want, you can also download their official app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Just go to the Play Store or App Store and search simply for Canva and you will see their official website. So you can also see their logo. This one, you just have to tap onto this Canva, and as we can see, I'm already in their official website. So after heading into canva.com, now you have to log in into your account. So you have to log in into your account Canva. If your first time, it may ask you some questions. Just answer those questions. Okay, so you have to log in first, and if you don't already have an account, no worries. Canva also offers a free plan that gives you access to most features you will need, including what we will use today. Now once you are inside, click on the create design page. You will see an option plus icon here. You have to tap onto this create design button in the top right corner here, and then select video to open a new video project like this. I'm going to select the landscape one, 16:9 format, which is basically YouTube's video format, because that's the standard YouTube and social media video size. Okay, now here you can either upload your footages or you can choose free templates or even start from a blank video if you want. Okay, so as you can see, there are a lot of things. So as this video is about how to add text to speech to Canva videos, I'm going to show you that. So for now, I'm just going to add a simple background and a new few images here to make it easier to demonstrate. Okay, so here I will choose a background image. Okay, so just search for the background image. Go to elements, and here you will see a lot of things. So for example, I'm going to choose this one at the background, and you can customize it from here. But this is a reels format video, so I'm going to choose this one. So just tap it here and then go to it. So as you can see, here you can add videos to text. Alright, once you have your video project open, now it's time to find text to speech tool inside Canva. As you can see the option called text, tap onto it, or you can tap onto elements, search for the elements option here, tap onto it, and scroll down a bit, tap onto the apps here. So tap onto apps. Now in the apps search bar at the top here, type text to speech like this, text to speech, and tap onto the first one. You will see a different option pop up, like some say AI voices, some are labeled as text to speech generator, Others might be more third-party integrations. For this video, I'm going to pick the first option that pops us. Usually it's free and pretty simple. So we're gonna tap onto it. So click on the app and then hit use or to integrate into your project. Like you can also tap onto open. Now you have to enter your text and choose a voice. Like once the text-to-speech app is open, you will see a small panel where you can start typing the text you want to turn into audio. Like here you can see it is saying that enter text here. You just have to enter your text. So let me quickly type something simple like welcome to our channel, and then make sure to check out the links in the description. Then that's it. Now you can select your language from here, like which type of language you want, like Filipino English, Singaporean English, South African, British English, like this one. You can choose a lot of type of English. Then you can choose French, you can choose German, Estonian language, Filipino language. You can choose Icelandic, Hungarian, Indonesian, Irish, Gaelic, Italian, Japanese, Canada, India, this one, Kazakhstan, etc. For the purpose of this video, I am going to choose US English video. So click on to English US videos, then you can choose your voice. Like I am a female premium, this one. For this one I will go with I am a female standard. And also from there you can choose your volume, like how you wish to keep your volume. For me, I'm going to choose to soft, and if you want you can tap on the extra soft, medium, loud, extra loud. Just choose the one you prefer to continue with. Now you can choose your speed. I will suggest to keep it at the default one for the best result. Now it's about pitch. Now choose the pitch you wish to continue with. For this I will go with medium one, and then you have to tap on to create audio. From here tap on to create audio. Now it is saying to connect text to speech to your account. Tap on to connect and add it to your text to speech. Like enter your Gmail address here, then you have to enter your password and tap on to remember me. So let me enter my password. Then you have to tap on to login. So I will go with login with my Google account, this one, and then tap on to continue. So that's it. Now tap on to create audio. Like login with your Google, then
with cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and so much more.
So this is how you can preview your speech, then tap on to create audio and it will be created. So that's it for this video. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.